Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is gonna be a review video, and in this video I'm gonna be reviewing these lip and cheek tint from Just Herbs. So I recently got my hands on these lip and cheek tints and I'm absolutely enjoying using these. So I'm super excited to share my review on these. So if you guys are interested in watching that review, then please continue. And this is gonna be a non-sponsored review. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also please press the bell icon, and now let's get started. So these lip and cheek tints are from Just Herbs, and if you don't know about this brand, so this is an Indian skincare and a beauty brand which is 100% vegan, and all their products are enriched with herbs. So it's a 100% Ayurvedic brand and it has no nasty chemicals, so it's really safe to use. So this Indian skincare brand has a very unique ideology. It curates all their skincare and hair care and beauty products through crowdsourcing, which means they take their consumers' feedback and they curate the products accordingly to what their consumer wants. So whatever they are creating in the market, it's nicely tested and decided by the consumer itself. Just Herbs is dedicated to create products according to what their customer wants, and I think this is the best thing about the brand, which is so consumer centric. So now coming on to the packaging of the product. So this is how the lip and cheek tint looks like. This is the actual outer packaging in which the lip and cheek tint come, and I'm gonna quickly read what's written at the front and the back side of the packaging. So on the front side it says Just Herbs herb enriched lip and cheek tint. It is infused with Javitri, jojoba and rice starch. So I suppose these are the three main ingredients in these lip and cheek tints, and it also has creamy matte formula. So everything is mentioned right at the packaging, and right at the back side of the packaging all the ingredient details are mentioned. So I'm gonna quickly read few of them. It has cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil, it has cold pressed sweet almond oil, cold pressed jojoba oil, it has cold pressed moringa oil, then it has shea butter, it also has calendula extracts, marigold extracts, then it has rice extract, it also has wax plant, it also is enriched with vitamin E, which makes it super nourished and perfect to use on skin, and it's absolutely safe. So it's enriched with vitamin E, so it's going to be really hydrating as well. So right at the back side all the names of these 7 shades are printed. So it has total 7 shades and I have just got 3 with me. So whichever you pick, you have that shade ticked over here. So these lip and cheek tints are priced at 695 rupees, and you get 4 grams of the quantity, which I think is pretty much decent, and it's available on Nykaa. So if you want to check it out, I will put the link in the description box. Like I said, I've just got 3 shades out of the 7 shades, and I'm gonna quickly tell you the name of the shades. So I've got soft nude, then I've got pink forever, and then I've got rose coral. So I will be swatching them on my lips in the end of the video. Firstly, I'm going to talk about their formula, how their pigmentation is. By the way, I'm wearing all the shades on my face right now. I am wearing rose coral and pink forever on my lips. I am wearing soft nude and pink forever on my eyelids, and I've also added some glitters from my eyeshadow palette, and I'm also wearing pink forever and the mix of rose coral on my cheeks. So that's how they look when they are nicely blended on your face. So you can just complete your whole makeup with just one product, which is really amazing. Coming on to their formula, which is the best thing that I love about these lip and cheek tints. It is a very nourishing, very moisturizing, creamy matte formula, and it's super blendable. It blends like dream on your skin, and it's such a nice creamy matte formula that it doesn't look very shiny or oily on your face. It looks like a skin like makeup. It sort of blends into your skin without creating any patches, which is the best thing about these lip and cheek tints. And I am a huge fan of these lip and cheek tints just because of their formula, their pigmentation and their blending power. So these lip and cheek tints are supremely pigmented. They have such a nice pigmentation and the colors are so gorgeous, so pigmented. Like once you apply them, you don't really need to go back and forth and keep on touching them up, because they're gonna stay put for good time. Like especially if I'm talking about using them as a cheek tint, like I have worn them and I absolutely love how they stay put on my skin. They do not budge. But if you're wearing them as a lip tint, you will definitely have to go for touch-ups, because if even if you're eating something, they will fade away. So for lip tint, you will obviously need to touch up. But if you're gonna wear them as a cheek tint or as a eyeshadow, they're gonna stay put for long hours and won't budge at all. Another great part about these lip and cheek tints are that you can use any tool. You can either use a finger, you can use your beauty blender, or your brushes. You can use anything and they blend seamlessly with every single thing. So the great thing about their formula is that it's a creamy matte formula. It's creamy, which is it's very easily blendable, and it's a matte formula, so it won't get very oily or shiny on your face, but it will definitely adds up a healthy glow on your face. So after formula, like I said about the pigmentation, I'm a huge fan of their formula and their pigmentation. It adds such a beautiful natural flush to my face. The pigmentation is so brilliant. So like I said, these lip and cheek tints are ultra nourishing and they're so moisturizing. I think they are perfect for dry and chapped lips. So if you're someone who has dry and chapped lips, you can definitely try them out because they're gonna be super useful and they're gonna come in so handy. Coming on to their longevity, like I've already mentioned, they have good staying power. So for lip tints, you will always have to do a lot of touch-ups, but if you're wearing them as a cheek tint or on your eyes, they're gonna last for good 4 to 6 hours. So guys, that's about my review of these lip and cheek tint. Like I've said, I absolutely love using these and they are part of my everyday makeup routine because they are so hassle-free, and you can create one makeup look with just one product. You can use it as a lip tint, as a cheek tint, and just as an eyeshadow as well. So it's like a very essential makeup product for those quick makeups. You just want to get ready in just 5 minutes. You can always use these and they will always come in handy. Now let's start with the swatches. So I'm going to be swatching all these 3 shades on my lips because I've already done my makeup, and like I've mentioned, I've used them as a cheek tint and as a eyeshadow. So you can just identify it from the video itself. But now let's start and do the swatches on my lips. So that's it guys, these were my review and the swatches about these lip and cheek tint by Just Herbs. I hope you guys like it and I hope you guys like these products as well, and if you find them really interesting and you want to try them out, the link is mentioned in the description box. So this is not any affiliate link, just a normal shopping link. You can just go ahead and check it out. So I hope you guys like the video. If so, then please give a thumbs up to my video, and also please mention any kind of video that you want me to create in the description box. I will love to do that. And now I will see you in the another video. Till then, take care. Bye.